Fellow academics are lauding the work of Professor Phillip Tobias, and KZN's Department of Agriculture launches a mass campaign to eradicate rabies in the province. I'm Richard Brooks. Fellow academics are lauding the work of Professor Phillip Tobias, who made major contributions to the study of human evolution. 86-year-old Tobias died at Wits University's Donald Gordon Medical Center in Johannesburg this morning after battling with prostate cancer. Director of the Wits Institute of Human Evolution, Professor Francis Thackeray.
He described a skull that had been discovered at Olduvai Gorge in Tanzania, and he described it as a species Australopithecus boisei, the robust hominid known from East Africa, and also a similar form had been found in South Africa. But Professor Phillip Tobias wrote a complete book on just one skull, and this was an outstanding example of his work as a scientist.
KZN's Department of Agriculture has launched a mass campaign to eradicate rabies in the province. 2 people in the province have died of the disease during the last few weeks, while 2 others remain in hospital. The virus kills more than 3,000 people around the world every year. Here's Provincial Agriculture MEC Mishak Khadebe.
We are going to cover the entire province. So thanks for World Health Organization. We have donated 15 million to boost our campaign. But what we are saying is also everybody must be part of this. I'm pleased that the Department of Education actually allow children to go and fetch their dogs and care to be vaccinated. Also the Department of Health. We're planning even to mark the dogs in the ears to make sure that we can be able to see this dog, but we're not there yet. But our aim is to make sure that in the future we must be able to see this dog or this cat has been vaccinated.
Weather forecasters say this weekend's cold front is expected to hit Gauteng, as well as other inland provinces and the Eastern and Western Cape. Maximum temperatures will only be in the mid-teens. Here's weather forecaster Puseletso Mofokeng.
Over Gauteng, the temperatures are going to change quite drastically on Saturday, when they will be reaching between 13 to 15 degrees. So it's going to be very cold on both Saturday and Sunday because of the passage of the cold front.
The blackout of Bafana Bafana's away matches on the continent is a thing of the past. The SABC has reached an agreement with the French broadcaster Sport 5 to broadcast all Bafana Bafana's matches live until 2015. The acting Chief Operations Officer, Hlaudi Motswaneng, says the SABC used to lose lots of money due to the uncertainties over coverage of games in Africa.
In the past, it was so painful, not for the public of South Africa, even people who are working for SABC. If you remember the match between Egypt and Bafana Bafana, we had to reach agreement, I think, on Friday. I mean, we can't operate like that. And it was costing us a lot because we are losing money, because you can't talk to sponsorship, you can't talk to advertisers.